Look at this dog. Hi viewers, welcome to my blog channel here on YouTube, where I share some stories about my life as Nepalese living in China for over a decade. Join me as I explore the interesting ups and downs of my life, mostly from this beautiful region of Jilin, China. Stay tuned for some exciting and insightful content that showcases the unique experiences and perspective of living in this dynamic region. Also, thank you for joining me on this journey. And now we are in wheat market, my dear. Just by here, just by here. Now we are in market. This market is like village market. Every area they have like this market. It's like a farmers market, but here is different. So we are here to buy mince in the first place and some other things, and later after that I'm gonna prepare dumpling at home. So stay tuned for food vlog today. I'm doing mince meat now, and this is for the preparation of dumplings. And if you are watching this video and you love food, means you are in the right place. So today I'm going to show you how we cook dumpling here in China. And if this video got 100 likes, I will give you the recipe of best dumpling mince in the next video. So do like this video, and I just done with the mixing the mince with other stuff, and we're gonna see you later. Here we go. The flour also, dough also is ready. This is for the dumpling cover. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for all of you guys who are subscribing to this channel. You guys are awesome. Cheers. So here we go. Our dumplings, they are ready now. You can see here we have 3 plates of dumpling, and this is dumpling soup. It's good to have dumpling soup because this one we boil in water, and this one is for my daughter's sauce, and this is my sauce, and this sauce is Nepalese sauce. In Nepal normally you can find this sauce, and normally in China the people eat with the soya sauce and garlic, wasabi if you want to add, and you can add some other sauce including chili sauce if you like hot one, hot sauce. So here you can see my daughter is having soya sauce with the garlic. The garlic is for the taste. I am having my sauce because this one here they call dumpling, but in my country we call momo. It's similar like dumpling. We have this style, we have like round style. So the dumplings, they are famous here as well as in my country. They have dumpling, I have momo, so we are fine. So cheers. As I told you before, if you want to know much more about dumplings, how to cook, how to prepare means how to prepare flour, how to make it. If you want the video in details, like this video. If I have 100 likes, I'm gonna make another video about cooking dumpling in details. Sauce, dumpling, flours, means how to do it, how to eat, and what in everything I'll include in that video. So cheers for this video. We're gonna see you in the next. Bye bye.